Get this booger out of there. Huh? Clean off your face a little bit. Are you a rock star? Who's the rock star? You are. Okay, here we go. Look. Hey. There you go. Swallow it down. You're not getting it back into your mouth very good. What do we think? That was a good open mouth. It's not supposed to come back out, goofball. Open? Open. See, we're trying. How's it going? You're extra drooly, that's for sure. That mouthful didn't go in. Carter, you're very interested in it, but Mommy can't tell if you're actually swallowing it.
Okay, we're just practicing.
Very good. That was a good one. That was open mouth onto the tongue. No. See, that was not the right direction. It's supposed to be going into your tummy, you goofball. Very interested in the spoon, though. Good. That was a good one. How is it that you have no concept figuring out eating of any kind?
Takes after his daddy.
Boo, bottle, spoon, it don't matter as long as it goes into my tummy. Oh, that bite missed. That bite missed. Is that bite not good? That's it. To the back of your mouth. Mama's getting it all over us. You want to see? You can see. See? What is that? Now, we don't take it all at once. But you're doing very good keeping your hands out of your mouth. See, most babies put their hands up in there. And then it really gets everywhere. How's that feel running down the side of you? Ugh. Hey, your chin is not storage for later, you know. We're going to dunk you in a pool before Mommy lets you eat on her. No, back of the mouth. There you go, back of the mouth. No, push with the back. We're not quite getting it, Daddy. Some bites were okay. The other bites, not so much.
That's alright, it's just our first time around.
But we really like the spoon. Mommy even got out the red one. But right now we're nursing the spoon. It's okay. We'll figure it out. Is that how Mommy and Daddy eat? You're getting there. You're very drooly.
Carter, hey buddy.
Where's Daddy? I was like, forget Daddy. Bring on the food. You've probably had about enough. Would you like some water to go with it? Did Daddy bring your bottle down? Can Mommy get you some water?
Keep shoveling, Mommy.
Oh, just realized Daddy's watching me. Are you trying to help? Oh, really?
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Are you eating the spoon? Does the spoon taste good? Mmm. Is that a yummy spoon? I'm biting the spoon. Okay, break time. Mommy's gonna get you some water.
Look at this running down my neck. Hands into the mouse.
Ooh, now we're going. Now we're gonna make a big mess. Now we're gonna make a big mess. We're gonna have us a little bit of water. It's no grape juice. Oh, okay, just a little grape juice. You know you've had almost an entire thing of grape juice, unless Daddy's been drinking it.
Nope, I haven't. Hey, buddy. Have a smile?
Where'd my food go?
Hey, can I have a smile?
That's good. I think I'm getting full. Warm up your water just a little bit.
Hey, Goober.
That big boy. Where's that big boy eating his food? Are you eating cereal? Are you eating cereal all by yourself? Cause your mama's biggest boy. You want some water? No. No more bottle. You want the spoon? Have a little drink. Get all that washed out of your mouth good. Plus, it's good for you to learn to have a bottle with your food. Yeah. Are you happy, boy? Now, you know you have to be eating cereal for a few weeks before you can start eating table food. We'll pull out veggies and stuff in the next day, in the next week or so. But no Mexican food. No beans.
No refried beans.
No rice. No chili con carne. We really like the spoon. You're getting very good at this. Uh-oh. Just as Mommy says that, out comes that last bite. Say, Daddy, we're not quite understanding the concept because we're still sucking. We're still nursing the spoon. But that's okay. We'll figure out quicker ways as we get a little older. Not bad for only 4 months old. Oh, gonna do it yourself? You gonna hold the spoon? No, don't put it so far into your mouth. Oh yes, you're a very big boy. Show Daddy how you hold your own spoon. Where does the spoon go?
Give me the tub, it is not on it.
It goes into here. I think I'm full. Thanks for those messy hands. You just want to play with the spoon. How are those teethies? Are you growing some teethies?
Are we done?
Are you ready to go eat?